Hello everyone, I am Olivia at OMG Artistry and I've teamed up today with It's a 10 to showcase our Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin. The Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin is your favorite Miracle Leave-In product with the enriched power of keratin. This product is best for people who are consistently bleaching their hair or using any sort of alternative color. We're talking heat styling every single day and seeing breakage at the ends. So today I wanted to give you a little review on the product, the way it smells, the way I use it, and exactly the way it makes my hair feel after it's all done. So let's start the smell process. It actually does not smell like the original formula. It's a little sweeter, which is probably from the sweet almond oil, which I don't mind because the sweet almond oil, it's an emollient oil that helps moisturize the scalp and imparts flexibility and shine. So let's do the touch test. So it feels very similar to the Miracle Leave-In. It's not absorbing as quickly as the original, so what that makes me feel is there's a more moisturizing agent to this. There is keratin amino acids in this and hydrolyzed keratin as well to help protect the hair. It's restoring the moisture back into the hair as well as the health. Keratin is what the hair is made out of, so it's strengthening every time you use it. Always start at the ends when you're brushing your hair out and work your way to the top. So notice how easy it is for me to brush my hair using the product. This was a rough blow dry with just a tad bit of flat ironing, but as you can see how beautiful my hair feels. And I feel like it really restored the hydration balance of my hair. This is also great to keep up with your keratin treatments. Love this product, highly recommend it to anyone who is bleach styling as well as heat styling every day.